How to use Instagram Edits app for beginners. So hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram Edits app for beginners. So for that, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find Edits by Instagram and then download it to a device. Once you download it, open your Edits app and then log in using your existing Instagram account. No new profile is required. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap camera to shoot directly, or you can just simply tap on gallery to upload your pictures or videos from your mobile gallery. Now select your picture or video. Then tap on a clip to select it. It will highlight in yellow. Now press and hold the edges of your clip, then drag inward to cut out unwanted parts. Now to reorder, tap, hold and drag a clip to move its position in the timeline, and then move the playhead to a specific spot and tap split to cut a clip into two separate sections. So you can also enhance with effects and audio at the bottom of your screen, as you can see. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.